Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Expensify, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Expensify app or website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log in to your existing account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create New Report button. Name your report based on your budgeting period. Select the Add Expenses option. Choose how you want to enter expenses. You can upload receipts directly from your device, or input expenses manually using the form. Fill out the details for each expense. Include the amount, category, and date. For recurring expenses, set them as such for easy tracking. Once all expenses are added, review the report summary. Check for accuracy and completeness. Now, set a budget for the month or specific project. Go to the Budgets section. Click on Create New Budget. Name your budget appropriately. Choose the amount you want to budget for. Select the time period it covers. Allocate specific amounts for different categories if desired. Ensure that your expenses align with the budgeted amounts. Use the expense tracker to monitor your spending in real time. Regularly review your reports and budgets for any discrepancies. Adjust your budget as necessary based on your spending habits. Take advantage of the Insights feature to see spending trends. Utilize notifications for exceeding budget limits. Explore the Reports section to generate detailed summaries. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.